ilang taon ng Arl for the Exchange. Multiple choice. Okay, si mga... Okay, o ito. Sino gusto mong sagot? True or false? Okay. Alpha. Asian heartthrob. Yes, makikita natin dito si Darren. And we will actually say hi to you guys. At alam ko abang na abang kayo, pero ito, kung gusto your passport. Sinong may dala ng passport nila? Ay, ayan, gusto ko physical, hindi yung ano. Main heartthrob. Palapakan natin, let's give a warm welcome to Darren Esparto!
Hello po sa inyong lahat. What's up, young people? And of course, thank you so much to Alfredan Exchange for having me here today. And sa inyong lahat, thank you so much to everyone who's here. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga bumili na ng tickets for Dubai Barrio Fiesta happening tomorrow. And to everyone who joined our contest here at Alfredan Exchange. Thank you so much.
Yes, alam mo ba, Darren, ang ilan pa sa kanila nag-absent sa kanilang trabaho for you to come here. So, how does it feel to continue performing here para sa ating mga kababayan?
The same love, and Filipinos all over the world are always very warm and welcoming their fellow kapamilya. So, ayan po, I always enjoy performing here in Dubai. Oh!
Oh, ayun, pati dun sa dulo, may
po, dun sa likod,
nagre-race.
meron.
Oo, ayan.
Bukas po may ticket na po dapat kayo. Siyempre, hindi lang naman performances namin yung dapat abangan ninyo.
Energy mo eh. Iba ang passion mo when you perform on stage. Talagang next level. Gusto namin malaman, meron bang specific na song or dying inside? And they are dying inside kanina pang umaga para maghintay sa'yo. Baka pwede naman makahingi kahit patikim lang.
Dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you. Sama po. And I was dying inside to hold you. Hey, I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you.
Yes! Guys, possible. Eh, don't forget, Barrio Fiesta Dubai. If you don't have your tickets yet, go and buy your tickets. You can still buy them at Virgin Mega Store and go to website. At syempre, ayan, magkita-kits tayo.